This 2017 Little Tykes Cozy Coupe is vibrant and resilient when bumping into things, much like this toddler, Lucas McMillan. This is Toddlers and Toy Cars Getting Juice. What does the cow say?
Woo!
Nice, that's good.
Woo!
You drive the car? What about the bear? Whoa.
Excuse me, ma'am, could we get a green juice? So, what does the horse say?
Me.
Good point. That's a good one, Lucas. What's your favorite social media app?
TikTok.
Are you worried at all about the impact on the environment affecting the animals? I heard 10 species went extinct.
Oh no. Make the elephant.
Don't worry, the elephants are okay. Well, tell me, how do you feel about the current political climate?
Okay.
It's a good point you make, Lucas. I'm really glad we did this.
Okay.